Hello guys, welcome to another episode of the Uliza ScanWize show. Misfires. Many of you munaulizanga Misfires nini, munasikianga Misfires lakini hamjui Misfires ni nini. Today we're gonna explain what Misfire is, common causes, possible symptoms, kila kitu and how ScanWize relates to it. Twende kazi. Hassan, record ingine mostly kwa Mercedes. Nasikia ni Misfires.
Misfire is a very common thing.
Is it an amber, mani red zone, mani?
Okay, it's normally bring amber, which is the check engine, and normally misfire. It depends with which cylinder on the vehicle it comes in. It can bring you a code for cylinder 1, 2, or 3, and 4, and it depends if the vehicle is V6 or straight engine. So each cylinder normally have a different code. So let's say a misfire is when fuel and air is not sufficient in the engine block. So what causes that is few things. Either the plugs is not getting power from the coils, the plugs itself are worn out or damaged. Another thing is the fuel injector. Maybe one is not throwing fuel sufficiency. So that all causes a misfire on a vehicle.
So what happens like fanyika gari inaenda ama inasimama?
Okay, it will bring you first common, which is check light. The other thing is the car will be jacking off, no power, and if many cylinders are not working, you may find out a smoke and a smell of fuel, so causing it to burn rich. So that's what misfire is. So when you start the vehicle, you see it's jacking or even removing smell of petrol, that indicates there is a problem, either the coil, the spark plug, or even the injectors.
And all these symptoms causes ScanWize iko hapo.
Yeah, ScanWize will capture. Once the check light comes in, ScanWize will capture.
Inakuletea alert.
So it will alert the customer and the mechanic.
So that's it for today, guys. If you want peace of mind, get ScanWize installed in your car. Kwa control ya gari lako na ScanWize, drive assured. Remember to follow us on all our social media platforms. Till next time, bye-bye.